In this lesson, we are going to read through the Managing Places and Equipment topic in the Template Food Control Plan. This is one of the dark blue colored cards in the Setting Up section of the plan and is page number 27. What do you need to know? When choosing places and equipment for your business, there are some things you should consider, like what the place has been previously used for. That rooms and equipment can be easily cleaned and maintained. That there is adequate lighting, ventilation and services, such as water and electricity. That equipment is designed for food use and for the process you are intending to use it for. Why is choosing good places and equipment important? Places and equipment are the foundation of your business, and the choices you make determine how hard you and your staff will have to work to know your food is always safe and suitable. It is easy to overlook things that can result in food being contaminated and people getting sick. For example, holes in building cladding that could let vermin, rats, mice, get in and contaminate food. Equipment that cannot be cleaned easily and allows bugs to grow and contaminate food. Buildings constructed from materials that could be a source of bugs, chemicals or foreign matter getting into your food. It is best to source equipment especially designed for food use and for the process you are intending to use it for. If using measuring equipment, you will need to make sure that it can take accurate measurements. A way you can make sure your equipment is accurate is by calibration. An example of how to calibrate a thermometer can be found by using this link or scanning the QR code. It is best to choose places and equipment that enable you to manage food safety and suitability hazards appropriately. What do you need to do? Manage any food safety or suitability hazards associated with places and equipment. Check previous use of land and buildings, and only use areas that will allow you to make safe and sell suitable food. If your neighbors do things that could cause your food to be unsafe or unsuitable, work out how to minimize the chance that this could happen. Only operate out of places that have enough space to accommodate the number of staff you plan to have working there, and allow for a good workflow. Design your workflow so food can move safely through your business. For example, design it so that you do not carry raw chicken through areas where cooked or ready-to-eat food is being handled. Buildings, fittings, fixtures or equipment must be made of materials that will not be a source of bugs, chemicals or foreign matter getting into your food where possible. Or work out how to minimize or eliminate the chance that food could become contaminated from these sources. Ensure all areas where food will be processed or stored can be easily cleaned and sanitized when appropriate. Limit the amount of dust, dirt, fumes or pests that can get into buildings used for handling, making or storing food. Provide places for storage of cleaning chemicals and maintenance compounds away from food. Make places to wash hands available close to food handling areas. Provide for rubbish areas, away from food processing and/or preparation areas. You must use equipment that is accurate and working properly for measuring control points, such as thermometers for checking fridge chiller temperatures, or equipment to measure the pH of sushi rice. Vending machines must be able to keep food safe, for example, keep cold food at 5 degrees Celsius or below. What do you need to show? Your verifier might ask how you know the location has not previously been used for something that will make food unsafe. How you and your staff manage risks from activities of your neighbors. Why you chose the equipment you are using. How you know the building, fixtures, fittings and equipment do not pose hazards to the food. Your verifier will observe workflow and whether staff can easily work and maintain good food safety practices.